The best hardscapers know efficiency and precision matter most. That's why we design tools that cut time, reduce strain, and boost performance. Introducing the latest innovations from Pave Tool, built to keep you moving faster and working smarter. Starting off here with the MVP PaverVac Ergo Assist package. This is a great two-man option that can also be coupled to a machine, has awesome maneuverability, get into those tight spaces, couple it with multiple different size pads, and you can lift up to 240 pounds with this bad boy. Everyone loves our BL180 clamp, great for retaining wall block. We've recently come out with some protective ends, so these can actually help to prevent scratching or marring on the surface of the block. We're seeing a lot of smooth surface blocks being installed these days, and this is just what you need to keep the block looking nice and clean. We've come out with a new attachment for our BL980. These are 10-inch extension arms, so this is going to allow you to pick up more roughly textured product at a greater depth as well. These arms have been highly requested and makes the BL980 a serious force to be reckoned with. The MVP PaverVac T-handle package. This one's pretty self-explanatory. You all know and love our T-handle. Now it can be coupled with our brand new MVP PaverVac. This makes the setup lighter than the VacMax backpack and even more portable. When it comes to our suction equipment, you need to buy pads, and these pads have rubber on the bottom, and over time this rubber can get pretty banged up. Well, we've now come out with aluminum pad covers. These are magnetic, so they stick perfectly onto the pad, and you don't have to worry about banging up the rubber anymore. You're going to get a lot more life out of your pads now, and we highly recommend these. Already hearing great feedback from other contractors. Moving on to the MVP PaverVac machine package. This one packs a wall up with our 12x36 pad, can lift up to 862 pounds. You can see just how great this vac performs here in this clip. We are just driving it around on the end of our forks here. Phenomenal package, couple it to your excavator. Can't go wrong. Moving on here to our Quickie screed rails. If you're in hardscaping, you know what screed rails are. These screed rails are made of aluminum. They're going to last you a lifetime. They're highly resistant to bending, corrosion, and will not rust on you. And they are laser straight. The BL1600 Almi clamp. This is a great scissor clamp comparable to our BL1300. This clamp also has some additional accessories that can be purchased separately to really expand on its capabilities. The MVP PaverVac Ergo XL package. Just like the Ergo Assist package, this is a phenomenal two-man option that can be coupled to an excavator. Just has the extra handles for even more stability. And this one's actually going to support up to 350 pounds. We hope you're just as excited about the new products as we are. So if you enjoyed this video and are interested in any of our new products, please check them out at pavetool.com. There'll be a link in the description below. Also, while you're down there, like and subscribe, please. Really lets us know what type of content we should keep making. We appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next Friday on next week's Tip of the Week.
You can sign up for our Tip of the Week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.